Look, right now, I mean, obviously we need more refineries and we need to reactivate them. But one of the issues we had with refineries was labour. And, I mean, BMW and most of the major car manufacturers use robotics in order to build their cars. We were still using largely a human-based labour workforce when, before the Adelaide, car plants were shut down. So that's where technology really comes into play, that advanced manufacturing is really the fabric of protecting our national security. And I mean, national security from a definitional standpoint is really anything that affects the nation's ability to operate and maintain itself in terms of what is considered business as usual. One of the things that has been more recently touted in the national security and defence space is what's known as the grey zone. And the grey zone is all about how foreign nations can use their economic influence to exert pressure on nations to influence decision making. And when you think about, what's going on in the world, there are nations out there that have been putting other nations in debt through infrastructure deals that basically mean they can influence the kind of decisions they make on the global scale. So, I mean, and, specifically we are talking about China, and China has been doing that in Africa. I mean, basically most of the African nations in the Human Rights Commission basically have some debt owing to China. And it's these sort of things that we do not want to be in the situation where we are influences exerted because of economic pressure.